Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning in for this unboxing. This was a swap that was hosted in the Decorate Your Life Facebook group, which is Sandy Nagel's Facebook group. And this is from Lizzie, and she is so sweet. She is a new Crafty friend, and I am super excited to open this. I had to wait for my husband and stuff to get settled before I could finally open this box. And look at how cute. Oh my gosh, she has adorable puffy stickers. Oh my gosh, you guys, when I was 9 years old, back in 1979, I had a collection of stickers. And I had so many puffy stickers. I had Hello Kitty. I had so many, and I wished I knew where I had that photo album. Oh my gosh, I wished I knew where I had it. Okay, so look at this gorgeousness. Oh my gosh, Lizzie, thank you. Oh wow, look at this. I love this. Thank you for a keychain. Oh my gosh, a beautiful keychain. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness, I love it. Lizzie is an artist. You guys have to go over and check out her entry that she made. She did some acrylic paint pouring, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at this card. Aw, this is so sweet. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh wow, thank you. Oh, and amen. So I get to reuse this card if I want to. And this is her information. Oh my gosh, handmade just for you. All my blessings from Lizzie. Thank you so much, Lizzie. Oh my gosh, and inside was this beautiful, like, almost like a wax paper, rice paper. Oh, this is just gorgeous. And a note. Aww. Yes, yes, yes. We will definitely be swapping again because I love to swap. I do. Last year was all about group swapping. This year I want to do some more one-on-one swaps with crafty friends. Oh my goodness. Look at what she made me. Oh wow. Thank you. Oh my gosh. This is precious. Oh my goodness. Oh. And it says welcome. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is so sweet. Oh my goodness, thank you, hun. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to have a new crafty room that I can hang that up in. Oh wow, and I love the fill. I'm going to save and reuse all of these glorious foam balls. Thank you so much. Oh wow, oh, I am super excited here. Okay, super excited. Oh my goodness, what's inside this bag here? I love these little burlap bags. Oh my gosh, you made me earrings? Oh, thank you. Oh, Lizzie, these are gorgeous. They're like little angels. Oh my gosh, and there's her information. Oh my goodness, I am so honored. Thank you so much, hon. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, this is just precious. I love this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this with some of my projects. Thank you for displaying a tag. This is so beautiful, you guys. Let's open this up. Wowzers. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, you're going to be a fun swappy friend. I get to play around with mixed media. Oh my gosh, I have something I'm going to send you. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. You have to see the back because it's as gorgeous as the front. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is beautiful. And she stickled it. She did stickles or some Spectrum Noir or something, but it's gorgeous. Thank you so much, Lizzie. Absolutely beautiful. What are these? Oh my gosh, pretty little bags. And inside here, oh, look at this embellishment. It is a embellished paper clip. Oh my goodness. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, wow. And you crochet? I do not do any much crocheting. I can do chain stitch, and that's about it. This is gorgeous. Thank you. Oh, I have some goodies I'm going to share with you. Save them for my shabby friends. When I get swaps that are just, you know, as along the same lines as these, I had gotten some yo-yos, and I love to share those with other friends because, you know, sometimes you just can't hoard something this I will hoard. But if I get multiples, I'll share them with my special shabby friends. This is beautiful, Lizzie. I love this. Oh my gosh. Oh, you are gonna be fun to swap with. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I tend to hold back on the mixed media until I find out how much someone likes it, and then watch out. Oh my goodness. Oh, a shaker. Here's the shaker. Oh, wow. Ooh. Beautiful. Oh, wow. I love the collection you worked with. Very pretty. And I believe it's one of Sandy's collections. Yes. Sandy does do a lot of beautiful collections, and I know Lizzie just hauled some. You have to go over and check out her YouTube channel, and she is on Instagram, and I will get all of that information in the description box below. Oh my gosh, how precious! So beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love this. I can't wait to hang it up somewhere. A precious shadow box. You guys there's her information again. Oh, wow. Thank you, Lizzie. And then she made a wand. Oh my goodness. Thank you. It's a pin. It's a wand pin. Woohoo! Thank you so much. You'll have to go over to, if you are not already in Sandy's Facebook group, you can go over and see for yourself what she has going on. I love my Facebook groups that I'm in. And this is the Memory Decks card. Oh, wow. This is very, very, very sweet. Oh my goodness. And look at this huge rip-rack trim. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. Oh, did you happen to make this, Lizzie? Oh my goodness. This is just precious. Oh, thank you. Oh, how cool. And I'm not going to open it because it has all of her information in it, but it is a little book. How precious is that? I love this. Oh my gosh. Ooh. That's pretty. It's like, is that the Ranger embossing glaze? Or what is that? That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, Lizzie. Oh, I can't believe you thought you didn't send me enough, girl. Now I owe you. Wow, and these are bag toppers. Oh my goodness. Wowzers. Wow. You've got to see these gorgeous bag toppers. Oh my goodness. Oh. Girl, I'm going to send you a shabby swap, okay? Oh my gosh. I had made so many, was making everything with the, with Sandy's Adorable Honeybee collection. And, I wouldn't have had enough time to change the paper, girl. And you sent me a memory text. What? Oh my gosh, Lizzie. Wowzers. Thank you. Wow. Oh, hun, you went above and beyond. I am so honored to be. Oh, you just did an absolute phenomenal job. Wow. This is just gorgeous. These are some die cuts. And then I get to, oh my gosh, I love your bag toppers. Oh, please don't think that I can't believe you messaged me and said you had to send me more stuff. What? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be, I hope you'll want to swap with me again, because man, I owe you more. This is gorgeous. And then these are little, oh my gosh, like little cupcakes. Oh my goodness, let me open this up real quick. She was extremely generous and sent these super sweet die cuts and some beautiful pink music paper that she lovingly wrapped up these like doily die cuts. And oh wow, wow, these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. And I will get all kinds of pictures. And you sent a pocket letter? What? Oh my gosh. Wowzers. Oh my gosh. There's even another dangle. Oh, Lizzie. Wow, hun. And she sent a pocket letter, an absolutely stunning pocket letter that had this amazing dangle on it. Like, what? Oh my gosh. Oh. Wowzers, Lizzie. Oh, hon, thank you so much. Wow. And then earlier we were messaging because my nails were wrecked. It took me way too long to get them fixed. Way too long. So I'm so sorry I had to do that too. Wow, this is just stunning. Look at this really soft, feathery butterfly. Oh my gosh. And then she did lace. Phenomenal. Just outstanding. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Lizzie, for swapping with me. Oh my goodness, girl, wow. I'm gonna send you more. I have something I wanted to send, that I want to send you. I did want to send it, but now I really, really want to send it. I had something that I was trying to finish up, and I went on, and I had told her I was going to mail Monday, which was today, because it would have given me another day. We had until I think the 2nd to ship. We had a little extra time, but they said a storm was coming in, and I saw that there were freezing temperatures that hit the Midwest. You know, Texas was having a storm coming in, and so I hurried up and I finished up at least one more little project I wanted to throw in there, but I didn't get everything done, and now I really want to send some extra to you. You were extremely generous. You are extremely generous. You have knocked my socks off, Lizzie. Thank you so much, hun. Oh my gosh. I hope you want to swap with me again. But I have something that yes, I am definitely going to be sending you more, and I hope that you want to swap with me more in the future, and that we are going to remain crafty friends for a very long time. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I want you to please go over to Lizzie's channel and check out all of her amazing videos. I am just getting started to go through them myself, and I'm just, she does art, she does a lot of really, really neat crafting, and has, I mean, just gorgeous. I can tell she has a lot of neat ideas in that crafty mind of hers, so I'm excited. I just thank you so much, Lizzie. I appreciate you so much, girl. Thank you. And thank you, Sandy Nagel, for your Facebook group. And thank you so much for watching, friends. I really appreciate you taking the time out to watch my videos. And I hope you're following along. And I hope that you go over and check out Lizzie's. Thank you so much, Lizzie. I know, are those kisses? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to take pictures of these and get them posted on Instagram and the Facebook group. So, all right, I will see you next time. Bye.